Hey peeps, I am back with another video, and before we get started, make sure you pump the brakes on period. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment at the end of this video once you see everything that's going on. And today we actually are about to take my wig. Look how scraggly and raggedy it looks. Oh my gosh. So this is my wig and we are going to be styling it, but first I need to wash it because I had been gluing it down, so like there's glue and stuff on it, so I need to get that off. So yeah, you can see where all the gel was and spray clumped up. Mostly when I did the gel is what made it clump up like that, not so much the spray. And please excuse the lighting. I know it's not the best lighting, but I mean, at least you can see your girl, period. So we're gonna go ahead and get to washing this. I'm not using anything for any particular reason. Like, it's just shampoo and it's just conditioner. So that's why I'm using it. I'm using this Whole Blend shampoo. Love the smell of this. And then just because I don't have a lot of conditioner, I'm going to be using this Color Care conditioner and shampoo as well. But really this is kind of empty too. I just need to get some extra conditioners. So I'm going to wash this wig. Also, I just recently got this wig, so I might insert this clip in another video as well, so you might see this clip twice. But this is the wig that I bought, and let me see what it says over here. It's called Dashley Fast Fashion Meets Hair is what it says on here, and it's from Sensational, I'm not sure. Okay y'all, so my lighting just changed. I tried to make my lighting a little bit better because as you can see there's a window behind me, so I was kind of backlit and I just wasn't feeling it, so I had to get it together real quick. But back to the wig. So this is the wig and I'm about to spray it with some alcohol because I actually bought this right off the mannequin. They claim they put it out that day that I came, like they had just put it out, but I don't believe them hoes. They in the hair store, they be just trying to make a deal and get some money. They don't care about you or nothing. Like, you ask them people a question in there, they don't know anything. Like, all they care about is making the money. Like, they don't care about weave. So I'm just hoping that when I wash this wig that this little flip stays. I'm not sure if it will stay or not. I've never really owned a wig like this that's not human hair but also isn't all the way fake or is synthetic hair that can actually take heat. She did tell me it can take up to like 350, 400 heat from a flat iron, so we will see. I don't know if I'll need to use it. Hopefully I won't, especially if these curls do not fall out. But here is the wig, just turning it around so you guys can see everything. And then I did get lace tint to kind of tint this lace because I'm just like, what type of lace is this? Which is another reason why I don't want to do like synthetic wigs, is because like, what is the lace doing? Like, what is it even doing? This is what it looks like on the little packaging that it had. It says Dashley lace front wig all around it, lace unit 11. So let's go ahead and get into washing it since I already got this with the alcohol. Hopefully that was enough, but we also about to wash it. So
like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop shit, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot shit. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting bitches with the oh well. Need 100 milli on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best nigga. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
So I'm doing a side part. I'm trying to do it by looking in the camera viewer so I don't have to move my whole little setup. I think I want to do like a little circle shaped part. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I kind of love putting on the wig when it's wet like this. Y'all know those photo shoots where people be like doing the wet look? Those are the vibes I'm getting. Okay, is this working out for me or no? Okay, I think that's pretty okay. So as you can see, I have the wig on my mannequin because I'm about to wrap it and let it like mold, which I've shown you guys before in other videos as well. So I'm just doing the same exact thing. I'm not gonna put mousse on it or anything like I would normally do because I don't have any still. I didn't have any in my last video, but it still molds just fine without it. So that's what I'm gonna do. For some reason, maybe because of like the glue and the freeze spray, it was really like nappy and like tangled right here at the root around the hairline, like where you would glue it down. And so I'm assuming it's because of that. Also, I didn't actually YouTube how to get all this gunk off of your lace, so I just was washing it and just doing my own little thing, and there's still like some stuff right there, like that white stuff. That's the biggest part that still has some on there. All the rest kind of did come off. And also I did mean to put some alcohol around the edges, but I kind of forgot because, you know, to get it to come up, people use alcohol, and I've never done that. I've actually always used water to get my lace up. I didn't have like any alcohol with me all the times that I had to take it off, so I will start doing that from now on because I do have alcohol now. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. I'm about to have it mold and I'm going to sit it under a dryer, or I might have to blow dry it, I don't know. But I need it to dry because I will be doing a curling video for you guys. And this one, I'm going to rinse this one out and then it'll be good to go. And I did hold it up to the camera because the flips are still in there. here is this wig with the flips still intact. What is that? That's what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put it on just for a little second so y'all can see like the idea, so you can like get the gist. I like it. I just wanted something that's like, you know, going to lunch downtown. Just gonna pop through a little coffee place. Like, it's giving every day. It's giving every day. That's what it's giving me. What's it giving you? Let me know in the comments. Or is it just giving you synthetic cheap? Let me know. I'll never buy one again. Y'all, I like it. For my like technically first like full synthetic-esque wig, because I mean, I don't know like what y'all, I don't know what has synthetic upgraded. So like, is synthetic still synthetic if you can put heat on it? I think I've seen that. I think I've seen people get synthetic and you can put heat on it. But like, remember back in the day, like early mid 2000s, if you went to a hair store and you got synthetic, they would literally press, am I saying this right? Press upon you to not put heat on it. It's going to melt. It's going to just disintegrate. Back then you could not do that, but it's a new day and age, y'all. 2020 type-ish, period. So I really like the color of this. Oh my gosh, I'm giving y'all sneak peeks, but it's gonna get even better in the actual video where because I'm gonna have, well, I have my makeup done now, but you know, it's still gonna be a whole different situation when you get the lace cut off. And I'm also gonna tint the lace in that video, so watch out for that video, y'all. But I am done with this video. Everything is washed, it's molding, it's needing to dry, and then the videos with me actually having everything on and styled is coming to you soon. I love this. I thought I might hate it like once I got it home and would be so mad, but I don't know, like hopefully when I cut the lace it still looks good. And here's the thing, I be seeing other people who clearly do not care that their wig looks fake or not. It's just like, I got a wig on, like didn't try to thin out the hairline, didn't try to do baby hairs, whether it was soft baby hairs or the hard baby hairs. They ain't try to do nothing. Like, you know, when you see them, that's a fake hairline and you got a wig on. You cute, but that's fake. Like, that's how I see people on the onlines. And I just, you know, I still double tap them just the same. So I'm like, dang, is it really that serious to have like a $500 wig and a $200 install? Like, is it that serious, or can I just do what they doing? And there's this one girl, I'm gonna put her name across the screen. She's the one who really inspired me to go ahead and get a synthetic wig, because she does a lot of wig reviews and she does a lot of affordable wigs. So I was like, let me go ahead and try to get a wig. I tried to get the wigs that she talked about, but one of them, the shipping was like $11, and I was like, wait, hold up. Just off the principle, because it would have still been only a $30 wig, but just off the principle, it's like, y'all scamming for that one. And then the other wig that she did a review on that I wanted, it was like a Janet collection wig, and it was like one of those situations where you can only get it in store. Like, they have a website, but you can't buy it straight from the website. So honestly, I personally am like, what's that about? Like, I don't know. So I was pretty much going to the hair store to try and find out if they offer the Janet collection, but of course, like I said, they don't be knowing nothing, they don't care, they just want the coin. So I asked them about Janet collection, and she was like, I don't know if we have that. What do you mean you don't know if you have it? You work in the store, like, what do you mean? So yeah, that was the situation. But y'all, I'ma be period. Okay, let me stop. Back to the natural. there's a tutorial on this that I don't know if it's going to be up before this video or not, but it's going to be up. If it's already up, I'll link it right here in the eye for you. But there's a tutorial on this hairstyle. Let me know how y'all feel about this. To me, it's not the cutest thing ever. It's not like I'm sitting here like, oh, this is cute, everybody do it. But it's a style. I think it suits people who are natural with shorter TWA hair, because I don't know, I'm a little like close to not being TWA. I'm only TWA because of the shrinkage, but honestly I'm not TWA. My hair is not short. But let me stop talking to y'all. Let me let y'all get to all the important things that y'all got to do today. And I am out of here. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe and share this video with somebody else that will enjoy it, or just, you know, likes these type of videos, because it's a really simple video. I'm just washing the hair and like talking to y'all mostly. So y'all just share it, let them check it out, let them be the decider of that thumbs up and that subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.